Imagine a gathering filled with laughter and cheer, where your cocktail offerings become the star of the evening. Introducing the Kensho Highball, an exquisite concoction that brings together the enchanting flavors of lavender, elderflower, and neroli from AFO Food Products' Botanical Cordial Kensho. This drink not only refreshes the palate, but also adds a splash of floral elegance to your repertoire. The first step to crafting this delightful drink is to gather your quality ingredients. Begin with 113 Oz of your favorite gin. The base spirit is crucial as it adds depth to the flavor profile. Next, reach for the Botanical Cordial Kensho. With a careful measure of 2-3 Oz, you'll infuse your cocktail with its aromatic notes of flower-derived essences that transport you to a serene garden in bloom. Add 2 to 3 Oz of fresh lime juice for that zesty brightness that plays beautifully with the floral tones, balancing out the sweetness exquisitely. To add an element of surprise and complexity to your Kensho Highball, include a dash of mint bitters. This ingredient won't just elevate the drink's flavor, it also introduces a refreshing twist that leaves a lingering impression on the senses. Finally, top it off with your choice of citrus soda. A bubbly finish will enliven the drink, enhancing the overall sensory experience. As the ice mingles with the ingredients in the glass, you can almost hear the delightful fizzes as flavors dance together. To present your Kensho Highball with an extra flair, garnish it with a delicate edible flower. And not only does this gorgeous touch heighten visual appeal, but it also embodies the essence of the drink itself, a celebration of nature's most fragrant offerings. Each sip bursts with the essence of delicate blossoms, creating an immersive experience that captivates the heart and soul. This captivating cocktail is perfect for intimate gatherings or festive occasions where you want to impress your guests. Serve it in elegant glassware that showcases the lovely hues and the garnished floral accents. Prepare to witness delighted reactions as your friends savor the refreshing and sophisticated taste of your Kensho Highball. Now that you have the perfect cocktail in hand, keep this recipe nearby for your next gathering. With its enchanting flavors and elegant presentation, your Kensho Highball will surely make a memorable impression, making ordinary moments feel extraordinary. So pour, sip, and let the floral magic unfold your gatherings.